The ocean, covering over 70% of Earth's surface, holds many mysteries. One of the most intriguing is the phenomenon of brine pools. These are underwater lakes found on the ocean floor, particularly in deep-sea regions. Brine pools are formed when salt deposits beneath the seabed dissolve, creating a super salty solution, denser than the surrounding seawater. This dense brine settles into depressions, forming pools with distinct surfaces and shorelines. The difference in salinity creates a barrier that prevents the two bodies of water from mixing. These pools are often toxic due to high concentrations of methane and hydrogen sulfide, making them lethal for many marine creatures. Yet, specialized organisms have evolved to thrive in these extreme environments, showcasing the adaptability of life.